Go home happy with the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Traverse is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moon roof, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.